Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to take a journey through the universe and explore some of the most fascinating creatures and celestial objects that exist. From black holes to exoplanets, the universe is full of wonders that never cease to amaze us. So, let's explore the mysteries of the cosmos. Black holes. Black holes are objects so dense that nothing, not even light, can escape. They form when massive stars collapse in on themselves and are mysterious and fascinating objects. Neutron stars. Neutron stars are incredibly dense objects formed when a massive star explodes in a supernova. They are only about 20 Kelvin in diameter but have a mass greater than the Sun. Exoplanets. Exoplanets are planets that orbit stars other than our Sun. Some are located in the habitable zone of their star and could support life. Quasars. Quasars are extremely bright objects powered by supermassive black holes at the center of galaxies. They emit enormous amounts of energy and can be seen from billions of light years away. Planetary nebula. Planetary nebulae are beautiful glowing clouds of gas and dust formed when a star reaches the end of its life. They play an important role in the chemical evolution of the universe. From black holes to exoplanets, the universe is full of wonders that continue to inspire and amaze us. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the mysteries of the cosmos.